In this video, you'll learn how to remove inactive subscribers from your mailing list on MailChimp. This process ensures that your audience remains engaged and improves your email campaign performance. Begin by navigating to the MailChimp website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for MailChimp's homepage. Once the page loads, you will see the login prompt if you are not already signed in. Enter your credentials and click on the button labeled Login to access your account. After logging in, locate the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Click on the option labeled Audience. This will direct you to the audience dashboard where you can manage your subscribers. Ensure that you are on the Audience Overview page, which displays your list of contacts. Next, find the specific contact you wish to remove. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top of the page to find an inactive subscriber. Once you have identified the correct contact, click on their name to view their details. Now, you will need to select the checkbox next to the contact you want to delete. This checkbox is typically located to the left of the subscriber's name on the contact details page. Confirm that the checkbox is marked before moving forward. Once the checkbox is selected, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More menu, located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal additional options related to the selected contact. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. A confirmation message will appear, prompting you to review your options. This message will clarify the difference between deleting and archiving a contact. Take a moment to read this information carefully. After reviewing, a second confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete the contact. This step is important as it highlights the permanence of the action. Ensure you understand the implications before proceeding. Next, you will be informed about compliance reasons for permanent deletions, such as GDPR and CCPA regulations. Read through this message to ensure you are aware of the legal aspects involved in removing contacts from your list. You will then see a statement that you must comply with privacy laws. Click on the option that states, "They asked me to, and I must comply with privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA." This step acknowledges your understanding of the compliance requirements. Once you have completed this, the interface will prompt you to continue with the deletion process. Click on the button labeled Continue to Delete to confirm your decision to remove the selected contact. A final confirmation message will appear indicating that you are about to permanently delete the contact from your audience. This message will specify the number of subscribers affected. Review this message to ensure accuracy. You will then be required to type permanently delete in the designated field to confirm your action. This step serves as a safeguard against accidental deletions. After typing in the confirmation phrase, click on the button labeled Permanently Delete. This finalizes the process and removes the inactive subscriber from your list. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.